Yo, what's up everyone, it's Patrick here. Technology is always evolving. Since 2000 we've gone from bulky cell phones to powerful smartphones. AI writes poetry, self-driving cars are nearly here. But what if we fast forward to 2050? Flying cars, teleportation, maybe not time travel, but some wild tech is coming. I dug deep, and the future looks incredible. Exciting, a bit unnerving, but worth talking about. Buckle up, because things are about to get futuristic. First up, nanotechnology. We're talking nanobots so small they can interact with our brains. Imagine a world where you control devices just by thinking. Brain-computer interfaces could let you write emails or learn new skills instantly, like Neo in The Matrix. This is no longer science fiction. Imagine no language barriers, instant access to knowledge, and seamless communication. But what about privacy when thoughts can be accessed? These are big questions, but the benefits are massive. The future of tech is closer than you think. If this excites you, hit that like button! 3D printing is about to change everything. By 2050 you could print your next meal, nutritious, ready to eat, and waste-free. Need new shoes or furniture? Print them on demand. This tech could revolutionize manufacturing and consumption. Imagine a world without giant factories, with products made exactly to your specs. It's about sustainability and empowering individuals. 3D printed food is already being developed, and the tech is advancing fast. By 2050 it could be as common as a microwave. 3D printing isn't just about trinkets anymore, it's about changing the world. Let's talk about something wild: immortality. Not in the traditional sense, but by uploading our consciousness into a digital realm. Imagine living beyond your physical body, transferring your mind to a new body or a digital world. This could eliminate diseases and redefine what it means to be human. Of course, there are huge ethical questions. Who gets access, what happens to our bodies, and what does life mean? But imagine a world free from diseases like Alzheimer's and genetic conditions. Would you upload your brain to live forever? Drop your thoughts below. Transportation in 2050 is going to be wild. Self-driving cars will be the norm. Just tell your car where to go and relax. Safer roads, less traffic, and more efficiency. But it gets cooler: the Hyperloop. Imagine traveling from New York to LA in under an hour. Hyperloop means fast, energy-efficient, and affordable travel. The future of transportation will make distance almost irrelevant. Say goodbye to long commutes and expensive flights. The future of our planet depends on clean energy. By 2050, fossil fuels will be history. Solar, wind, hydro, and geothermal will power our cities and homes. Clean energy means cleaner air, less pollution, and a healthier planet. The tech already exists, we just need to embrace it. It's about sustainability and a better future for everyone. The future of energy may not be flashy, but it's crucial. Love the planet? Share this video to spread the word. In 2050, space travel might be for everyone. Space tourism could be commonplace. Vacation in orbit, anyone? Space colonization is becoming realistic. Mars habitats, lunar bases, asteroid mining, the resources and discoveries could be game-changing. It's a future full of challenges and possibilities. Keep looking up. By 2050, the stars might be closer than you think. Let's talk about artificial intelligence. By 2050, AI will be everywhere. Doctors, lawyers, teachers. Some jobs will be automated, but that's an opportunity to focus on creativity and critical thinking. The key is to adapt and upskill. We need education and training for an AI-driven world. The future belongs to lifelong learners. Embrace the power of AI and stay ahead. Time to start upskilling. Subscribe for more future-focused content. Textbooks are out. VR classrooms are in. Imagine learning history by meeting historical figures or exploring biology in 3D. AI tutors personalize learning, making education engaging and effective. The future of learning is immersive, interactive, and fun. Let's dive into the metaverse. Imagine being anything, going anywhere, and connecting with anyone in a virtual world. The metaverse is blurring the lines between digital and physical life. It's not just entertainment, it's about community, business, and new ways to live. Of course, there are concerns about addiction and relationships, but one thing's clear: the metaverse is here to stay. Cash is out. Digital currency is in. By 2050 we'll live in a cashless society with instant secure payments. AI-powered advisors will manage our finances and investments. It's about convenience, security, and smarter decisions. Human advisors will use AI tools for better guidance. Say goodbye to wallets. Finance is digital and intelligent. Say hello to homes that anticipate your needs. In 2050, smart homes will learn your routines and create the perfect environment. Wake up to fresh coffee, sunlight, and your favorite music, automatically. Smart homes boost comfort, efficiency, and sustainability. Advanced security keeps your loved ones safe. The future of living is smart, intuitive, and personal. Will this vision of 2050 become reality? Maybe not all, but much is already in motion. From nanotech to space, AI to the metaverse, the future is unfolding now. The real question: are we ready for the ethical and societal shifts ahead? With thoughtful planning and openness to change, we can build a bright, equitable future. Which future tech excites or worries you most? Let us know in the comments. Click a video to dive deeper into the future. See you there.